we will start. What are the various factors that affect the leadership? See, first is the environment. Environment is the surrounding which considerably affects the leaders to respond to the problem and opportunity. All depends upon the first is the environment. That is the first goals, value, and concept. So, a leader can exert influence on the environment via three types. First is the goal and performance standard by the established, value they establish for an organization, business and people concepts they establish. So, the successful organization have a leaders that has a high standard and goals across the entire spectrum, such as strategies, market leadership, plans, meetings, and presentations, productivity, quality, and reliability. So, the value of reflects the concern of the organization, has its for employees, customer, investor, vendors, and surrounding the community. The second is the roles and relationships. See, roles are the position that are defined by a set of expectation about behavior of any job incumbent. So each role has a set of tasks and responsibility that may or may not be spelled out. So role have a powerful effect on the behavior of the several reasons to include money being paid for the performance of the role, their prestige is attached to the role, and a sense of accomplishment or a challenge. And relationships are determined by a role task. While some tasks are performed alone and most are carried in a relationship, so the task will determine the role holder is required to interact with, how often, and towards what end. Third one is the culture and climate. There are two distinct forces that dictate to act within an organization is the culture and climate. So each organization has its own distinctive culture. It's a combination of the founder, past leadership, current leadership, crisis, events, history, and size. So this results in the rights, the routines, and the way we do the things. So climate is the feel of an organization, the individual and shared perception and attitudes of the organization members. So while the culture is deeply rooted nature of the organization, that is the result of long held formal and informal system, rules, traditions, and customs. Climate is a short term phenomena created by the current leadership. So, climate represents the belief about the feel of the organization by its members. That various activities influence both individual and uh, team motivation and satisfaction, such as how well does the leader clarify the priorities and goals of the organization, what is expected of her, what is a system of recognition, rewards, and punishment in the organization? How competent are the leaders? Are leaders free to make the decision? What will happen if I mistake? So, organization climate is directly related to the leadership and management style of the leader based on the values, attributes, skill, and actions, as well as the priorities of the leader. So, compared to the ethical climate, the feel of organization about the activities that they have ethical content or those aspects um, of the work that is right, or feel of whether what we behave the ought to behave. So this all affects, and the behavior of the leader is the most important factor that influence the climate. If he will be motivated, he will let the followers motivated. If he is toxic, he will not let the things go as per his wish. So, the process of a great leadership is challenge a process, inspire a shared vision, enable others to act, model the way, encourage the heart. So, You have the glory with your followers hurts while keeping the pain within your own. So this is the process of a great leadership. I hope what leader is what a leader is important and how a leadership affects the followers is you all have a better understanding of this. So next we will start about the management and leadership theories. Thank you.